turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. If there's a glove box cover, unscrew the plastic screw which holds it in place by hand and take the cover off. With a socket wrench and a 6mm socket, unscrew the retaining screws. Then, remove the flange. Take the outer extremity of the cabin filter and remove it. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Be sure to properly identify the airflow arrows in order to position them on the conductor side. Put the filter back in place on its rack. Don't hesitate to fold the filter to insert it more easily. Put the flange back in place. Then, screw the two retaining screws back on with a socket wrench and a 6mm socket. Operation completed.